Hello YouTubers, this is my Lego combination Lego box. In this 8x10, this is the dial, here is the turner, here is the box, it's locked. This is very great mechanism. This is the two dials, first and the second. This dial for this dial and this dial for this dial. Okay, how to unlock? This is the window to see the mechanism. This lock box is locked. See? And I will show you how to unlock. This is the locked. So turn clockwise on two and then counterclockwise on this skeleton. Now all it's open. And the safe, it's open. This is a special mechanism. And okay, how to... This is the lock special. 4x3. 3 times. And no, but when you open this hatch, I've got this. And now I take this, put it in there, and I close the lock box. This is the lock. It is a 9, not 10, no 8 by, but 9 by 6. 9 and by 6. And I will close the safe, lock, and done. And I will show you the mechanism. I will open another. And show the mechanism for you. This. Inside the lock box is locked. So when I turn the clockwise on two, this is unlocked. But when I turn the counterclockwise on this, two unlocked and open. And you can put the pieces in the safe and lock and turn it clockwise. And it's another locked. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment and subscribe. Goodbye!